So here's how to edit photo using ChatGPT. First up, you need to head over to chatgpt.com, and as you can see, we're already here. Make sure that you're signed in to your account. Now, on the text input field, you need to click on the plus icon right over here and select Add Photos. Then choose the image that you want to edit. As you can see, it's now being uploaded. Once it's done, click on the edit icon on the photo. After that, you need to describe the edit that you want. You will also get some suggestions. And on the style section, you can choose from any of these styles that you want, which will in turn put in a prompt for you. Then click on the Submit button to generate the edit. As you can see, it's now being generated. Sometimes it may take a little while, but usually it only takes a couple of seconds. So after that, just wait for it to show up. As you can see, the generated photo is now ready. You can check it out and compare it with the previous one. If you're satisfied with the result, you can give it a thumbs up. And then just click on Download right beside it. You can also click on the Share option in order to share it on different platforms from right here. And that is exactly how to edit photos using ChatGPT.